welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to create a journal entry. You'll especially want to use journal entries when you're on an accrual basis of accounting to account for instances of prepaid expenses, unearned revenue, and even accumulated depreciation. Okay, let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, hover over the Banking tab on the top bar navigation. From the bottom of the drop-down, select Journal Entries/Funds Transfer. In the top left-hand corner, click Add a new journal entry. Many journal entries related to your monthly close will typically be dated at the end of a month. So I'm going to choose September 30th for this example. Okay, for this example, I'm going to record the depreciation expense for September. To do this, I'm going to select depreciation expense as my financial account. And I'm also going to select my class. Now, depreciation expense will always be a debit, while accumulated depreciation will be a credit. So that's the next account I'm going to choose. If you have any class associated with this expense, make sure to tag that class. Okay, when you're all done, click Save and Close. Okay, there you have it. If you'd like to attach anything to the expense, simply click the paperclip icon. Then choose the file from your desktop. To edit your journal entry, click the paper and pencil icon. If you'd like to void your journal entry altogether, click the trash icon. To delete permanently, click Delete Permanently. Or to simply void, click Yes. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.